Hi guys, welcome to Craftotopia. My name is Karina. I will be your art instructor today. Let's get started on your painting.
And what we're going to do right here is we're just going to do long strokes. I'm going to show you a little secret here. You don't have to sit here and worry about getting into that palm tree. You can kind of fudge it just a little bit. See what I'm doing right in here? I am kind of encroaching in my palm tree just a little bit. I'm going to grab some more paint. And here's where I want you to load that paintbrush up. Since I'm doing two canvases at the same time, you're going to see me kind of creeping in over here. Your partner should be doing this right now. And we're doing long brush strokes. If you can hear your brush scrubbing, that means you need more paint. So let's grab a lot of that blue paint and we're going to come right in here. And we're going to do about maybe 2 fingers worth. And instead of starting below it, we're going to start maybe within this color. So you can see kind of right around here. Remember, we did about 2 fingers worth, and then this is just kind of extra. And we need to work fast on this step because we don't want that color to dry. So here we go. We are going to grab a little bit more of this. And don't worry about your first layering of this color. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of get into the nitty gritty here, and here's where once I start brushing on this color, I'm going to creep down a little bit, but then I'm also going to creep up just a hair. So you got a nice blend. I'm going to start the same thing over here. So I'm going down a little bit, but I'm kind of creeping back up. And again, if you encroached into that palm tree, I'm not worried about it. I'm going to show you one thing that you guys may kind of come across while you're painting. If you notice, when you stop, ooh, you've got this white spot right in here. This fuchsia color is a little transparent, so what I need you to do is when you start lightly brushing, don't stop until you get to the very end, or else you're going to end up with stuff like this. So nice and soft. One way or another, we're going to get that blend. Guess what we get to do now? We're going to leave that paintbrush nice and dirty. We're going to grab some more of our brightest yellow. And look at how I'm holding my paintbrush this time. I'm going to hold it nice and horizontal, not vertical, horizontal, because we are going to be working on this step here, and this step is a little bit of this, just going back and forth all the way down. So, and do you notice the kinds of lines I'm doing? So grab some more of that paint. And I don't want it all even. Do not want it all even. So I'm actually going to come in here, maybe kind of creep over here a little bit, creep over here a little bit. Now, if this is dry already, you can actually kind of brace your hand on here. You can even take it off of your easel and turn it upside down if maybe your hand is a little more comfortable that way.